So students, class 12th chemistry unit 10. Today's topic is preparation methods of haloalkane. So haloalkanes can be prepared by many methods. The first is from alcohol. So alcohol, as you know, C2H5OH, C3H7OH, these are the alcohols. Now, from alcohol, haloalkane can be prepared by many ways. Number A, by the reaction of alcohol with haloacids. Reaction of alcohol with haloacids. Haloacids means HCl, HBr, HI, etc. When you react alcohol with HCl, chloroalkane is formed. With HBr, bromoalkane is formed. With HI, iodoalkane is formed. So, alcohol when reacts with HCl gives chloroalkane. Now, important point here that as you know there are many types of alcohol, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. 3 degree alcohol gives this reaction very easily, but 2 degree and 1 degree alcohol gives this reaction and requires ZnCl2 as a catalyst. So in this way, chloroalkanes can be prepared from alcohol. Bromoalkanes can be prepared by reacting the alcohol with 48% HBr. When alcohol is reacted with 48% HBr, bromoalkane is formed. The good yield of iodoalkane is obtained by reacting the alcohol with Ki plus 95% H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. C2H5I iodoalkane. So question is here, how good yield of iodoalkane can be obtained? So good yield of iodoalkane can be obtained by reacting the alcohol with mixture of Ki plus 95% H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. Actually this mixture produces HI which reacts with alcohol to give iodoalkane and water. Now again a question is there that why sulfuric acid H2SO4 is not used in preparation of iodoalkane from alcohol. So the answer is that concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. This sulfuric acid oxidizes the HI into iodine, and due to conversion of HI into iodine, HI is not available for the reaction with alcohol and iodoalkane is not formed. That's why sulfuric acid is not used, but phosphoric acid is used to prepare iodoalkane from alcohol. So this is the method of preparation of haloalkane from alcohol and haloacids. For this reaction, the reactivity of different alcohol is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. 3 degree alcohol rapidly reacts with haloacid to give haloalkane, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. Second method, from alcohol by the reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halides. Phosphorus halides like PCl3, PCl5, PBr3, PI3, etc. So when alcohol reacts with PCl5, gives chloroalkane along with POCl3 and HCl, phosphorus oxytrichloride. So chloroalkane, chloroethane is formed. PCl3 also reacts with alcohol. PCl3 plus 3C2H5OH and 3C2H5Cl plus H3PO3. Bromoalkane can also be obtained by reacting the alcohol with PBr3. Iodoalkane can be obtained by reacting the alcohol with PI3, but these phosphorus bromide and phosphorus iodide are in situ prepared. In situ means at the time of reaction. So alcohol is reacted with a mixture of red phosphorus plus Br2, red phosphorus plus I2. This mixture, red phosphorus plus I2, produces PI3, which reacts with alcohol to give C2H5I. Similarly, this mixture produces PBr3, which reacts with alcohol to give C2H5Br. In this way, chloroalkane, bromoalkane and iodoalkane can be obtained. The third method of preparation of haloalkane from alcohol is by the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. When alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride SOCl2, C2H5Cl plus HCl plus SO2. So, thionyl chloride when reacts with alcohol gives haloalkane or chloroalkane. Now, very important question is here, why thionyl chloride method is considered as best or very good method for the preparation of haloalkane, chloroalkane from alcohol. It is because in this method, in thionyl chloride method, the side products formed are gaseous and escapes out and pure haloalkane is formed. That's why thionyl chloride method is considered as very good method for the preparation of haloalkane. Second method is from hydrocarbon. Preparation of haloalkane from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means alkane, alkene, etc. So, from hydrocarbon, alcohol can be prepared in many ways. Number A, by free radical halogenation of alkane. So when alkane like propane, when alkane, example propane, is reacted with chlorine in presence of sunlight or UV light, free radical substitution reaction takes place and chlorine replaces this hydrogen or this hydrogen to give two types of product here, CH3CH2, CH2Cl plus CH3CH2 CH3 CH3CHCl3. So this is 1 chloropropane, this is 2 chloropropane. So in this reaction, mixture of different haloalkanes is formed. Therefore, this reaction is not considered as a good method for the preparation of haloalkane. B is from alkene. From alkene. When alkene are reacted with, alkene like ethene is reacted with halogen acid, then addition reaction takes place. H is added here, chlorine here, CH3, CH2, Cl. Chloroalkane is formed. If you take propene here, the addition reaction takes place in accordance of Markovnikov rule, and the negative part of the addend goes to that carbon bonded with double bond which contains fewer number of hydrogen. So the main product will be 2-chloropropane. The third method is when by the reaction of alkene with halogen, alkene like ethene, when reacted with bromine or chlorine, addition reaction takes place and which dihalide is formed. So these are the methods in which haloalkane can be prepared from hydrocarbon or alkene or alkyne. The third method is by halogen exchange. Halogen exchange. So Rx by halogen exchange. Rx means haloalkane. Here X is chlorine or bromine. When haloalkanes means chloroalkanes or bromoalkanes are reacted with NaI, sodium iodide, in presence of dry acetone, then iodine replaces the chlorine or bromine to form iodoalkane plus NaCl or NaBr. So iodoalkane is formed. This reaction is also known as Finkelstein reaction. Here, dry acetone absorbs NaCl or NaBr formed so that reaction can proceed forward in accordance of Lee-Chatelier principle. Fourth method is preparation of fluoroalkanes. Fluoroalkanes can be prepared by reacting the chloroalkane with AgF. When chloroalkane is reacted with AgF, silver fluoride, or SbF3 or Hg2S2, then fluoroalkane is formed. Fluoromethane or fluoroalkane is formed. This reaction is called Schwartz reaction. So these are the preparation methods of haloalkane. Now the preparation method of haloarine. Preparation method of haloarine. The most important haloarine is here chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. So preparation of chlorobenzene or haloarine. So one important question is there that, as you know, that haloalkanes easily prepared by alcohol. Haloalkanes are easily prepared from alcohol. Similarly, haloarine cannot be easily prepared from phenol. The important question is this: haloalkane can be easily prepared from alcohol, but haloarine cannot be easily prepared from phenol. It is because due to resonance, partial double bond character develops between ring and oxygen. Due to partial double bond character, bond becomes stronger and not easy to break. Therefore, haloarenes cannot be prepared from phenol. So, how haloarenes are prepared? So, first method is by direct halogenation of benzene. When benzene or any arene is reacted with chlorine in presence of iron or iron halide in dark, then chlorobenzene is formed. This is the first method by direct halogenation of benzene. The second is Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. When benzene diazonium chloride is reacted with CuCl plus HCl or CuBr plus HBr, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene are formed respectively. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. If you want to prepare iodobenzene, you don't require cuprous salt. You direct react with Ki. When benzene diazonium chloride directly reacts with Ki, iodobenzene is formed. So these are the preparation method of haloarenes.